You're not the best with reality. You're so hard, the air is way too thin to breathe. Yeah, you say you just want what is best for me. I see you, liar, liar. I'm a stupid fool, I know. Wasted time gave you control. Mediocre, dressed in gold. I know you're an ankle biter.
Oui, c'est vrai que tu l'avais dit.
Ah, tu veux faire du quad avec moi?
Oui, d'abord tu vas faire du petit quad et après tu feras un trail en bas.
Your tongue is dripping poison honey. Fake is all the love you're throwing everybody. Yet you play it like I should feel so lucky. I see you, liar, liar. I'm a stupid fool, I know. Wasted time gave you control. Mediocre, dressed in gold. I know you're an ankle biter.
My demons are begging me to open up my mouth. I need them, mechanically make the words come out. They fight me, vigorous and angry, watch them pounce. Ignite me, looking at the flames they bring about. I sold my soul to a 3-piece, and he told me I was holy. He's got me down on both knees, but it's the devil that's trying to hold me down, hold me down. Sneaking out the back door, make no sound. Knock me out, knock me out. Saying that I want more, this is what I live for. Hold me down, hold me down. Throw me in the deep end, watch me drown. Knock me out, knock me out. Saying that I want more, this is what I live for. Selfish, taking what I want and calling mine. I'm helpless, clinging to a little bit of spine. They rush me, telling me I'm running out of time. They shush me, walking me across a fragile